Esty Ease 2024 Etsy Dropshipping Starter Course. Make money dropshipping on Etsy. How to. Course fully updated with all of the latest Etsy tools and developments. Warning: don't list another single item on eBay before reading this important info below. eBay will now take your money without even showing your listings. eBay's latest search algorithms give huge preference to established sellers and strongly discriminate against new sellers, and eBay no longer even promises to show your listings even though you're paying them to do just that. What's the solution? If you're frustrated with eBay's constantly changing search algorithm rules, read the solution below. Revealed: single mother with 4 children to support and fed up with eBay's oppressive rules goes to alternate site and makes cash profits in just days, almost by accident. And what he does is simple, scalable, and repeatable by any newbie. Here's the scoop. If you want to finally have a high-profit, unique, newbie-friendly, profitable online business that is simple to start and run, that at long last can truly make you real cash money, now you have one. Tell eBay to take a hike. Open a floodgate of profits with your own free online Etsy store. Today, no technical skills needed. Contrary to what all the gurus are saying, making money with online listings doesn't have to be complicated. It can even be fun, especially if you use Etsy instead of eBay. If you don't know what Etsy is, see below. Now, don't get me wrong, if you are making money with eBay, keep doing this. But if you're not also using Etsy for additional cash, you are leaving tons of money on the table. On the other hand, if you've tried eBay and failed, realize it's not your fault. eBay's search algorithms are stacked against new sellers, making it very difficult for newbies to break into the eBay market. Not so with Etsy. Etsy has been around for enough years that it is well established and has loads of buyer traffic, yet it is still new enough and growing fast, so that there's still plenty of room and profits for thousands of new sellers, and Etsy favors new sellers as much as established sellers. Advantages of Etsy over eBay. Etsy sellers enjoy many advantages over eBay sellers. You can create Etsy stores for free. No technical skills needed. Etsy has super cheap listing fees. 20 cents covers you for 4 months. Say you have a dozen widgets for sale, you can list them all for 4 full months for just 20 cents. Not 20 cents each, but rather just 20 cents for the whole lot. Fixed price listings. No need to attract bidders. You set your prices to what you want, not just what bidders are willing to pay. Unlike eBay, Etsy allows you to sell digital items that your customers can instantly download. Etsy even hosts your digital products for you. Etsy allows your customers many more payment options than eBay offers their customers, which increases your sales. Etsy lets you offer incentives, such as coupons, reduced shipping on multiple items, quantity discounts, and other buying motivators to increase sales, multiple sales, and repeat sales. Etsy has many on-site social functions that allow you to easily draw continuous streams of hungry buyers to your listings. If you want to spend less money, even virtually zero money up front, make higher profit margins, earn more money sooner, have more selling options, have your own online stores free with no website or technical skills needed, plus get incredible support and helpful resources, then Esty Ease. Turn Etsy into your own personal goldmine today. So dear friend, if you want to buy these or want to know more, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.